Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Sparkling Char. I was coming in to show that I received my card kit swap back. And let's take a look. Yes, this was an awesome little swap going on. It was really nice. I had so much fun. This one is from Cindy Vernon-Creating with the heart. Thank you, Cindy. This was such an awesome little collab. I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to take these pieces out. I'm going to take a look at them right quick. So yeah, this is really cute. This is thing, her card base, and I can't remember how they said to put them together. If I can remember. This is so cute, these little ice creams. Oh, it's so cute. How sweet is that? And she did the right thing. She put the word sweet. Let me poke this out right quick. Let's see, can I get this out? There we go. So that's Cindy's card. So pretty. And then up next we have this was Cindy's, right? Yeah, this was Cindy's. Yeah. And then up next, it's Vanessa Soto from Soto Creates. Put this to the side. And I think I remember how they said to put them together. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Just the swan, and look at the detail. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Look at that. Sorry. Let me try to get stuff in order. Pretty. I think it goes I'm just going to lay it on here. Oh my God, this swan is so pretty, Vanessa. And then this thanks. I think that may have been shadowed. That may have shadowed each other. I don't remember, guys. I'm just laying it on here so you can see the details. So pretty. And then you got all this little embellishment. You got crowns and pearls and everything with this one. So this is Vanessa Soto. Very pretty. Then up next we have YouTube D's Crafts. I remember her. This is the one with the umbrella. Oh God, oh my God, guys, these cards are gorgeous. So we got all the little pearly gems there. Oh, this is so pretty. We got the card base. This is some beautiful paper. Then she had it layered. It was layered so pretty. I'm thinking it was like this. Look at this umbrella. It's a shaker. So cute. Let me say happy spring. So again, that is from YouTube D's Crafts. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Okay, my next card is from Orlando Tucson. Her channel is Orlando Tucson. And I remember this one too because she did the bumblebees. I'm glad she packaged from the bottom. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, looks like I'm stuck in here, guys. Hold on. Okay, staple a little bit on there. Nice packaging. Then we have the bumblebee and the flowers. Then the words say happy bee, and let's see here. I remember how she put hers together. Because we're going to go and look at the video anyway. But this is so pretty. She said you can either do landscape or however you wanted to do it. This is embossed. Really nice, guys. Oh, so pretty. And I'm trying to remember how this went. I think one of these go on the inside. Be happy. I think this go on, these flowers go here. Yeah. This is so pretty. So again, this is Orlando Song, which I'll put it all down in the description box. I will link every channel so you can go back and put these together. And then last but not least is Mary Santa. Oh, Mary, you got so much detail. So pretty. This is really nice. Okay, I can't get in Mary's yet because I would have to rip it off. And I don't want to rip it, but it's a lot of detail. So you can go to her channel and see. And the reason I don't want to rip this is because the person that won my giveaway, I'm sorry for shaking the camera. The person that won my giveaway, Crafty Michele, I'm going to include this in her prize package so she can have crafting from all of the amazing crafters that was in the card kit collab. So she should have fun putting these together. This is awesome. Very nice. So she'll be happy to receive all of these gorgeous cards, I'm pretty sure, because I'm really hating to part with them, but that was the plan. If whoever win my giveaway, when I got my card swap back, I will be sending it to the winner. So again, thank you, Cindy. This was so much fun. And ladies, your cards are gorgeous. For all the creators that was in this collab, cards are gorgeous. So thank you guys for stopping by. And remember to always sparkle. Bye now.